I speak as the owner of this online section. A group of women from my daughter's school prayed for the salvation of my soul because I'm selling the devil's business. The biggest inroads we have to make is within the faith-based organizations. Feminism here in Nigeria is extremely difficult because of the faith-based institution. The biggest stoppers for the work that we do is the right-wing church.
Section 214. Any person who A. has carnal knowledge of any person against the order of nature, or B. permits a male person to have carnal knowledge of him or her against the order of nature, is guilty of a felony and is liable to imprisonment for 14 years. The offender cannot be arrested without a warrant. Section 215. Any person who attempts to commit any of the offences defined in the last preceding section is guilty of a felony and is liable to imprisonment for 7 years. The offender cannot be arrested without a warrant. Sir, in accordance with your instructions, I have the honor to submit proposals for the amalgamation of the governments of northern and southern Nigeria into a single administration, including, as I understand you to desire, some observations on the existing conditions and an outline of the policy I suggest for the future. These latter matters are, to a large extent, necessary in explanation of the conclusions at which I have arrived, but they are dealt with briefly in this report and form the subject of more detailed dispatches. There are several paragraphs which, I submit, it would be inadvisable to make public should it be your intention to print the report. I have, etc., F.D. Lugard, Governor.
Michael Akonji, I'm the Director of Programs for the Initiative for Equal Rights. Okay, I'm a deitist. I worship Shango. Yeah. That's the god of thunder, who everybody knows as a cross-dressing god, of which a lot of people do not want to accept that. He's actually cross-dressing, he plats his hair, he wears a skirt, of which a lot of people look at it that this guy or somebody who does that is an abnormal person. There are special people, they call them Omorisha. Yeah, it's because in Yoruba tradition you have this thing we call Egun. That is somebody who goes into a trance and get possessed by the gods. And when people do that, they have homosexual relationship.